Hello students. Today we are going to see the process of installation of VMware Player. Okay. Why VMware Player is required? Because we want to use different operating system and we want to be able to install all the operating system simultaneously on the system and use the operating system simultaneously on the system. So it is better option to go for virtualization platform. So VMware provides such kind of virtualization. Why I am recommending VMware? Because VMware is flawlessly working on each and every system, and Oracle virtual machine gives some trouble. It is unable to install the operating system. It is unable to install the virtual keyboard. So sometimes it happens, not all the cases. So let us see the steps of VMware installation. So initially we go to the site vmware.com and click on download, which version we want to go for downloading. So let me show you afterward. So this is the process. Actually, initially we start with login into our Windows operating system, then open the folder where VMware Player installer was downloaded. Okay, VMware Player is the available download for us. It is free of cost for home and students. And right click on the installer and click run as administrator. Follow the on-screen instruction to finish the installation and restart the host machine. Host machine means our Windows operating system. So let us go for installation. Okay, so let us type vmware.com. Okay, after clicking on this, you can see the download button here and go to free product. Okay, from here you can download uh, Workstation Player. Click on that, and there are two versions because we are in Windows machine, so better to download Windows version. Okay, download now. And after downloading, okay, so create a folder by name virtual machine and save this to that folder. Okay, it will take 5 to 6 minutes depending on the size and depending on the internet speed. So now it is downloading. Okay, here you can see 24 second, 22 second, 21 second, and it depends on the size of your downloader. 213 MB and the speed of net also. Okay, now it is downloaded. See this in folder and right click on this and click on run as administrator. What we need to do, go to that folder where we have downloaded this and right click and run as administrator. After clicking run as administrator, it will ask for this verification from Windows. So because I had this site is very recommended, so click on install anyway and click on yes. After that it will show this kind of button and then it will show installer button, installer window. Okay, so this will appear. Okay, here you just click on next. Okay, and then it will complete the setup. Fine, so I'm clicking next. So change repair, because I had already installed, so better I put a repair and you just click on next. Okay, so after clicking on next, this same type of window will appear. Okay, and it will validating the installation. Fine, it will check whether the system is installed or not. It will take 2 to 3 minutes. Fine, so let me pause here for no, not required. Yes, it will checking for. So let me pause here. The same procedure goes for installation of the system. After installation of this system, this last button will appear. Okay, complete the VMware Workstation 16 player setup wizard. Click the finish button. So I had clicked the finish button and now it is asking for restart the system. So before going to restart my system, I'm stopping my recording. Okay,